game, each team member will have to pass the balloon from one member to another member and score into a square ring. The team that scores the most balloons wins the game.
3, 2, 1, go! Okay.
Office Balloon is a game that requires good coordination, teamwork, and team strategy. It's a game that will be sure to create lots of laughter and energize your team. It's a great stress relief activity and it allows your team to come to a realization of the importance of team spirit in completing difficult tasks together. As you already know, today is the last episode and thank you to all of you who keep watching our videos. If you have missed any of our videos, you can find it in the link down below. Follow our Facebook page to know more of our upcoming events. So I'm Joshua, your host, signing out.